Good morning, my dear students. Today we start our GK class in virtual method. So everybody have a book. I think everybody have a book. So everybody open page number 4. Everybody open page number 4. At first put open your copy. Nothing to write in your book. Everybody write in your copy. So everybody open your copy and book also, and at first put the date. Today's date is 26th 26th April 2021. Day is Monday, and today the class, today's subject is GK, means general knowledge, and today discuss with two chapters. So many flowers. At first, so many flowers, page number 4. Everybody open page number 4. First of all, the so many flowers. There are many flowers we discuss here, and word power. Okay. So everybody open page number 4. Read the description of the some flowers. Write their names. Choose from the option. There are some option: torch ginger, passion flower, starts desert pea, flame lily, snake's head, bleeding heart. There are the option. You have to fill in the blanks with the help of those words. Number 1, already given. This flower flame like petals and comes in a variety of colors. I repeat again, this flower has flame like petals and comes in a variety of colors. Already given, flame lily. The name is flame lily. Why this type of name? Because the flowers like a flame of fire. So like flame. And name is the flower is lily. So total name flame lily. Everybody know the flame. The which fire is gone up. That is the flame. Flame lily. Number 2. This pink heart-shaped flower blooms in spring. This pink heart-shaped flower blooms in spring. What's the name? Bleeding heart. Bleeding. BLEEDING. Bleeding heart. Number 3. This bell-shaped flower blooms in various shades of purple. The petals have a checked scaly pattern. I repeat again, this bell-shaped flower blooms in various shades of purple. The petals have a checked scaly pattern. What's the name of the flower? Snake's head. This flower shaped like a snake's head. Okay. Number 4. These fragrant flowers blooms in various shades of white and purple. This fragrant flower blooms in a various shade of white and purple. People love to eat its fruits. What's the name? Passion flower. Sorry. This fragrant flower blooms in various shades of white and purple. People love to eat its fruit. What's the name? Passion flower. Next one, 5. This beautiful red colored leaf like flower has a distinctive, cut the syllable and then pronounce, distinctive black center that looks like a bulb. This beautiful red colored leaf like flower has a distinctive black center that looks like a bulb. Sturt's desert pea. Sturt's desert pea. And last one, the petals of this flower can be pink, red, or white. The flower looks like a flaming torch. The petals of this flower can be pink, red, or white. This flower looks like a flaming torch. What's the name? Torch ginger. Torch ginger. It's a fact that Hanami is the Japanese tradition of welcoming spring. In this season, the country is covered with a beautiful blanket of pink cherry blossom flowers. Okay, word power of section A. Circle the correct words to complete the sentences. Circle the correct word to complete the sentences. At first, copy the sentence, write the sentence in the copy, then you have to circle it. Okay? But nobody write in the book. Nobody can't write in the book. I repeatedly told you. Use in your copy. Number 1. I think it's going to rain. So second one, IT''S. It's going to rain. Number 2. There, THEIR, there, /THER, there. House is beautiful. Naturally, first one. There, THEIR, there. Number 3. In summer, one should wear loose or loose clothes. Loose. LWAC. Number 4. He backed his car into the garage. He backed his car into the garage. Number 5. The police have or has come. The police have come. Number 6. Sorry. I looked forward to meeting you. I look forward meeting you. Number 7. Please tell me your secret. Second one, your secret. Number 8. The movie affected me deeply. The movie affected me deeply. So, I repeat again. Number 1, second, it's IT''S going to the rain. Number 2, first one. Number 3, first one. Number 4, into INTO. Number 5, the police have come. Number 6, I looked forward meeting you. Number 7, please tell your secret. Second one. Number 8, the movie affected me deeply. So, section A complete. Section B. Tick the correct word to complete the proverbs. Tick the correct words to complete the proverbs. Number 1. Don't put all your dash in one basket. Option A, orange. Option B, apples. Option C, eggs. Eggs. Option C. Number 2. The early bird catches the. Option A, butterfly. Option B, worm. Option C, moth. Option B, worm. Number 3. Make dash while the sun shines. Option A, friends. Option B, hay. Option C, stories. Option B, hay. Exercise 4. Too many cooks spoil the. Option A, curry. Option B, cake. Option C, both. Both. Option C, both. And last one, people in dash houses shouldn't throw stones. Option A, glass. Option B, brick. Option C, mud. Option A, glass. So I repeat again. Section B, 1C, 2B, 3B, 4C, 5A. So today we complete the so many flowers, this chapter, and second chapter, word power. Whatever we discussed today, you have to write in your copy and practice in your home. If you any problem, any doubt, just call me. So and I solve it. No hesitate, just call me. So today is for that. Till then, bye bye.